Hi, I'm David Manti, and welcome to Tech Talks. With me today is Michael Renken, Executive Vice President and Co-COO of Advanced Lifts. Thank you very much for joining me today, Michael.
Good morning.
What is an advanced lift?
So at Advanced Lifts, we manufacture hydraulic scissor lifts.
So, what is the problem we are solving today?
Automotive dealerships needing to access their mezzanines with a rider and large product.
Okay, so what was the solution Advanced Lifts came up with?
We have a product called a rider mezzanine lift. It is basically a 6x8 lift that allows a rider on it. So we could take their large, oversized items and the person moving them up to their mezzanine level, eliminating the use of having to run up and down the stairs all day.
Okay, how long did it take you to come up with a solution?
We worked on the general product line for a little over a year, and pretty much this application is the epiphany that said, this is the way we want to use this.
What were the results?
The automotive dealership almost tripled their storage space. All the little parts that their parts counters would normally keep and they use every day are on the lower level, and all the large items, tires, bumpers, things the auto body shop might use, or large items for the mechanics, are up on the upper level. By moving everything to the upper level, they could stock more than 2 times the smaller everyday parts, almost 3 times at that lower level.
Tripling the floor space, that sounds to me like something that could make a big impact on the industrial sector as well.
Absolutely. In fact, we have a number of these items in the industrial sector now.
And is it true that almost every solution you guys produce is customized for the application?
Yes, we do have a bunch of standard products, but 90% of the time we're accessorizing or customizing, sometimes even doing clean sheet design work.
What are some of the most common applications or questions that you're hearing from manufacturers right now in terms of problems they're looking to solve?
I'm not sure I can give you a common because they run the gamut. Bottom line is they want to be more efficient with their space and the utilization of their workforce. So anything we can come up with, whether it be just a little ergonomic work positioner or something like these rider mezzanine lifts, really increases their efficiency.
How long do these custom projects typically take?
They can take anywhere from a couple of weeks to a year and a half. It just depends on how custom it is. Something like this is usually a 8 to 12 week quote to installation timeline.
Okay. Has there ever been anything that you said no to? Couldn't do?
Yeah, we say no sometimes. It's relatively rare. We tend to do more custom than anyone else, but every once in a while you just have to say no.
Going forward, what can our audience expect from Advanced Lifts, in the years to come?
We are constantly innovating and pushing forward. Every time we do a custom project, we're learning about new ways of doing things or new ways to apply an old solution. The no's are happening less and less.
What are some of the next, what's going to be the next innovation in lifts?
I have no idea. You don't know until you're asked to do it and you figure out a way to do it. That's one of the things we love about being in the sales department here. No day is the same. No 2 days are the same. No 2 conversations are the same. People come up with very unique ways of wanting to move things or unique applications, and you have to take all your products and all your knowledge over the years and try to put them together in a new way for that customer. If you have a problem you need to solve, tell us everything you desire, everything you want. Let us make the decision whether it can be done or can't be done. Too often people try to hold back and throttle their requests. They say, well, this seems a little crazy. I want it to shuttle in and out or move 3 feet left and right. They probably don't want to do that, so I won't tell them about that, when those are things we commonly do.
I think that's cool. Hey, bring Advanced Lifts your crazy ideas.
Exactly. Bring us your ideas, all of your ideas, and we'll let you know what can be done. Lift technology is old. How you use them has continually innovated.
Right. Sometimes at the end of the day, you just got to keep it simple.
Yeah, what works is what works.